What is an EIN number and how can I search for it online?
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will be discussing an important topic that many people often have questions about, the EIN number. The EIN number, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit identification number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to businesses operating in the United States.
What is an EIN number?
An EIN number serves as a tax identification number for businesses, similar to how Social Security numbers are used for individuals. It is used by the IRS to track and identify business entities for tax purposes. Whether you're starting a new business, hiring employees, opening a bank account for your business, or filing tax returns, you will likely need an EIN number.
How can I search for an EIN number online?
Searching for an EIN number online can be a straightforward process. To find an EIN number for a particular business or organization, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the official website of the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The IRS is the government agency responsible for assigning EIN numbers. Make sure you are on the official IRS website to ensure the accuracy and security of your search. 2. Navigate to the Search for Charities or Businesses section. The IRS website provides tools and resources to search for EIN numbers for different types of organizations. Depending on whether you are searching for a business or a nonprofit organization, select the appropriate option. 3. Enter the required information. The search tool will typically prompt you to enter the name of the business or organization for which you are seeking the EIN number. It may also ask for additional details to narrow down the search results. 4. Review the search results. After entering the necessary information, the search tool will generate a list of results that match your search criteria. Look for the specific business or organization you are interested in and locate the corresponding EIN number provided in the search results. Please note that not all businesses or organizations may have their EIN numbers available for public search. Some entities may choose to keep their EIN numbers private, in which case they may not appear in the search results. And that's it. You now have a better understanding of what an EIN number is and how to search for it online. Remember, the EIN number is an important identifier for businesses, and having it readily available can be crucial for various administrative and tax-related purposes. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to consult the official IRS website or reach out to a qualified professional. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.